Hi, welcome to ForSeller channel. This video will guide you how to complete the initialization settings for orders with Express mode. The first step, you need add your shipping carrier's account in ForSeller. Click Setting button and click Order and Shipping. Platform orders usually allow for either using the platform's logistics for fulfillment or having the merchant handle the logistics themselves. After authorizing the store, ForSeller will automatically activate the corresponding platform's platform logistics. If you need to use the logistics provided by the merchant, you must find the corresponding logistics provider on ForSeller and authorize the merchant's logistics account to ForSeller. Step 2. Create address. In the Express mode, before processing an order, you need to set the shipping address information in ForSeller in order to complete the subsequent order processing steps. Click Address, then click Create button. Red indicates mandatory fields. After filling in the required information as needed, click Done. By the way, ForSeller also support fulfilling orders via Amazon MCF. If you are interested in it, you can search for the help article or video on ForSeller Help Center to have a try. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe ForSeller channel. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with ForSeller customer service.